So folks, welcome once again. If this is the first time joining us, wherever you're going from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume of the phase amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thomas, I appreciate if you can share the link with the different groups. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the day. This is the continuation of the round of 24 of the mathematics quiz games for Liberian schools, or mathematics quiz bowl. All right, so I'd like to move over now to the schools for introduction. All right, Elizabeth Sele is going to be playing Grace Baptist. Elizabeth Sele, please do me a favor. The entire time you play this game, you have to focus only on. Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? All right, so Grace Baptist, you have to focus on the camera. Elizabeth Sele, if you can hear me, stop touching the camera too much, and I need you to only focus on the screen. Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, no, listen, I need you to. Do you hear what I'm saying? Yes or no? No, I don't want you to say you're getting me. Do you understand what I'm saying? The entire time of the game, we need you to focus only on the camera. You focus on the camera. I shouldn't repeat myself. All right? All right. So let's basically, please go ahead and give us 10 seconds of intro. All right. Thank you. Grace Baptist, please go ahead and give us your intro, 30 seconds.
I'm student Emmanuel W. Dixon from the Grace Baptist Institute. Pushing bill for Grace Baptist, friends and friends refers to me as D-I-X-O-N Dixon. But for today, math, you can refer to me as E. Dixon.
All right, thank you. My name is Woody B. Bedell. There are 3 rules here we have to follow. First and foremost, all physical rules apply. And the 3 rules we have to follow first is every question goes for a minute. Every question goes for a minute. You have a minute to solve. You have 10 seconds, 20 seconds is up to you. The moment you intend to answer, you do not have 30 seconds or a minute. You have 10 seconds to answer. You have 10 seconds to answer. And every question must be proven. Every question answer must be proven. Thomas Tabe, over to you.
So folks, my name is Thomas Tabe Jr. with Arm Western to West. The rule and the stadia. We go directly into the game.
Elizabeth Sele, what is your bruising point? K. All right. Grace Baptist, what is your bruising point?
Grace.
K and Grace. The question is number 1. Pen and paper. The question is number 1. Find the distance between the points. The first point is -1, 2, and the second point is 8, 5. I come again. Find the distance between the points. The first point is -1, 2, and the second point is 8, 5.
Nothing about the root of 90.
Nothing else but the root of 90. Proof.
Yeah. You already tell the root. If you get the slope, you just have to get the slope from now. The long root. The first one is minus 1. Let's do the first one. Then command 2. Then the x after the 2 will have been nothing but 8. Command 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And the 8 plus 1 is 9. So you square 3, you square 9. You square 3, you get 9 plus 81. Now I already have a root of 90.
Take 10. The questions number 2. Questions number 2. Convert 497 to decimal to base 5. Convert 497 from decimal to base 5. Wait, listen to me. Stop looking over your shoulder. I'll give you -5. I will have to boot you out of the game. If you look over your shoulder, I told you, don't let me repeat myself. You are live. I told you, stop in the room. Everybody should leave the room. Everybody should leave the room. If you look over your shoulder, hey, do not argue with me. Hold on. I'm not asking you to argue. If nobody's in the room, then look only into the camera. You continue looking over your shoulder, I will put you out of the game, and that will automatically disqualify you. You understand that? You understand me? Not let me repeat myself. Everybody's backing you, and you're doing it again. You keep looking over your computer or your device. Do not look over your computer. Do not look over your device. Do not let me repeat myself. The question is convert 497 from decimal to base 5.
Grace. Yes, your answer is 3442 base 5.
Proof.
Yes, he said we should convert 497 from decimal to base 5. So for short, you get divided by 5. Use a 5 will go into 497 equal to 99 times, and you get a remainder of 2. And you say 5 into 99, it will go there. 19 times you get a remainder of 4. And 5 into 19, you go there 3 times you get a remainder of another 4. 5 into 3 again goes, so you place a 3, and so therefore the answer will be 3442 base 5.
Okay. The question is number 3. The ratio of boys to girls in a school is 11 to 10. The ratio of boys to girls in the school is 11 to 10. If there are 525 students, there are 525 students in the school. How many boys are there? The ratio of boys to girls in the school is 11 to 10. There are 525 students in the school. How many boys are there?
Grace,
10 seconds.
Yes, there are 275 boys.
Prove your answer.
Yeah, Frederick, you said the ratio of boys to get into school are 11 to 10. And the total student in the school is 525. So therefore, we observe, let's say we have 5 million students. So 25, so we get 250. Since the boy are more than the girls, the 25 belongs to the boy. Therefore, we will have 275 boys to 250 girls. When we reduce it, we get 11 or 10.
Take 10 points. Thomas, over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the first 3 questions has been read. The score is 20 points to Grace and 10 points to Elizabeth City. With our march down to West, move on to the next 3 questions. The question is question number 4, first half. And I read for both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yes.
Both Elizabeth City and Grace. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, I hear you.
The question is question number 4, and I read. Question number 4, and I read. 2 supplementary angles different by 20 degrees. Find the angles. 2 supplementary angles are different by...
Grace, 10 seconds.
Yes, the angle in studio will just be 110 and 70.
110 and 70. You are wrong. I can accept that. Your question, Elizabeth, last one. I read again. 2 supplementary angles different by 20 degrees. Find the angles.
You got 30 seconds time to solve. 30 seconds time to solve. Yeah, K.
Your answer.
1970.
You are wrong. The correct precise answer is 80 and 100. 80 and 100. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. A die is rolled 3 times. A die is rolled 3 times. What is the probability of rolling a 6 on all the 3 rolls? I read again. A die is rolled 3 times. What is the answer?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is wrong. 1 over 6 is wrong. Great. A die is rolled 3 times. What is the probability of rolling a 6 on all 3 rolls? What is the probability of rolling a 6 on all 3 rolls? You have about 20 more seconds remaining. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, President, 5 or 36.
5 or 36 is wrong. The correct precise answer is 1 over 216. 1 over 216. 1 over 216. Question is question number 6. The question is question number 6. And I read for both schools. Find the seventh tenth of the geometry sequence 3, 6, 12. Find the seventh tenth of the geometry sequence 3, 6, 12.
Grace.
Grace, you have 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, the 17 will just be nothing about 192.
192. Teach me.
Yeah, we all know that the formula to find a 10 in your generation will be the 17 will be equals to A times arrow to the n minus 1. And the first thing is just 3. So it will be 3 times arrow. The common ratio there between 3 and 6 will just be 2. 3 times 2 raised to 7 minus 1 will just be 6. 2 raised to the 6th power is 64 times 3 will just be 192.
And take 10 points for that.
We'll move on to question number 7. To paper. Question number 7. Find the centers and radius of the cycle. Find the centers and radius of the cycle. Here's a equation. 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x minus 24y plus 51 is equal to 0. Find the centers and radius. 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x minus 24y plus 51 is equal to 0.
Come again.
4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x minus 24y plus 51 is equal to 0.
Grace.
Grace? Answer. 10
Yes.
seconds.
The center will just be minus 4,6 and the radius will be 1.
Wrong. This is Sele. Find the centers and radius of the cycle. 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x minus 24y plus 51 is equal to 0.
So what last one?
51.
51.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That is going to be 4.4 and radius.
Wrong. 2,3 in the radius is half. 2,3 in the radius is half. The question is number 8. Find the next two terms in the sequence. Find the next two terms in the sequence. Minus 1 over 2, minus 5 over 6, and minus 7 over 6, Find the next two terms in the sequence. Minus 1 over 2, minus 5 over 6, and minus 7 over 6.
Grace.
Great.
Yeah, the next two things will be nothing else but minus 35 over 18 and minus 175 over 54.
Wrong. Listen, Sele. Find the next two terms in the sequence. Minus 1 over 2, minus 5 over 6, minus 7 over 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time. And you're wrong. Time. Common difference is 1 over minus 1 over 3 is a common difference. As such, the next two terms will be minus 3 over 2 and minus 11 over 6. Yeah.
The common difference is just 5 or 3.
Wrong. Common difference can be 5 or 3.
Okay, let's take for example. The first thing is minus 1 or 2, right?
Yeah.
So if we multiply 5 or 3.
No, hold on. Minus 1 over 2, minus 5 over 6, minus 7 over 6.
Yeah, I said the first thing is minus 1 or 2, right?
That is correct.
Yes. So to prove that the common difference is 5 or 3, when you multiply minus 1 or 2 times 5 or 3, you're getting that's going to be minus 5 or 6, like you gave us.
What are you doing?
So common difference.
What are you doing?
You multiply the first thing. You multiply the first thing by the common difference, okay? You minus 5 or 6.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Yeah, Fergie.
Yeah. Okay. 3 and 2. That's what. The common denominator are 3 and 2. That's what.
I get it.
3 and 2 will give you what? 3 times 2.
6.
That's 6. 2 into 3. 2
going to
6.
3.
2 into 6. 3 into 6. That's 2. The negative positive. 3 plus 2.
No, Fergie.
You said times. I want to help you. You said
yeah. You say a common difference.
The common difference is minus 1 over 3 is the common difference.
No, the common difference. If you say minus, the first thing is minus 1 or 2, right? So minus 1 or 2, minus 1 or 2 times minus 1 or 3 can give you minus 5 or 6.
Do the math.
When you multiply your common difference by the first thing, when I give you the second thing.
My friend, you're wrong.
Well, the thing clear, Fergie.
You're wrong. I'm giving you the common difference. The common difference is minus 3 or 2, minus 1 or 3.
When you multiply by the first thing, when I give you the second thing, you give us.
Put the 3 number across the file. What is the common difference of minus 1 over 2, minus 5 over 6, and minus 7 over 6? What is the common difference?
It's just 5 or 3.
Minus 1 over 2 times 5 over what? 3. What
yes.
You have 6.
Minus 5 or 6. Minus 5 or 6.
Hold on. That's 3. Minus 3. That's 10. It can be.
Minus 1 or 2 times 5.
Let's work through it.
Yeah.
The denominator is 6, right? 2 into 6. 3, right? The minus 3.
Yeah.
Right? 3 into 6 will give you what? 2. 2 times 5.
I don't understand what you do. I don't understand.
I'm timesing your 2 division you gave me. You say my minus 1 over 2, and you say the common difference is 5 over 3. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's multiply the 2.
Yeah, firstly you multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. So minus 1 times 5 will give you minus 5.
Right.
Or 2 times 3 will give you 6.
We're looking at the question. Let's move on.
Correct.
Let's move on.
Hello, Chris?
Yeah.
You're looking to the question. If you are correct, we'll give you a point back to you.
Minus 1 over 3 is the common stuff there. Minus 1 over 3. You're wrong. We're looking
to it. You're looking to it.
We're looking to it. The question is going to be number 8. The question is number 8. The question is number 9. Last question for the first half. Find the value of sin theta over 2 if cos theta is equal to.
I get it, Fergie.
Find the value of sin theta over 2 if cos theta is equal to 12 over 13. Find the value of sin theta over 2 if cos theta is equal to 12 over 13.
Grace.
Find the value of Grace.
Your answer.
Grace, your answer. 10 seconds.
Yeah, the value was.
Your answer.
5 or 26.
Wrong. Find the value of sin theta over 2. Find the value of sin theta over 2 or theta over 2 if cos theta is equal to 4 or 13. Find the value of sin theta over 2 if cos theta is equal to 12 or 13.
How was that?
12 over 13. 10 seconds. 12 over 13. Okay. Come again. Answer. Your answer.
Yes. Yeah. Not your.
You're wrong. I don't know what you're solving for. The answer will be 1 over root 26. 1 over root 26. 1 over root 26.
Fedrin.
Yeah.
You said you find sin theta over 2.
Theta over 2.
Sin theta over 2, right?
Yes. Sin theta over 2.
When cos theta is equal to 12 over 13.
12 over 13.
But correct, Fedrin. So that look like cos theta is adjacent or hypotenuse, yeah?
What is the setup?
Yeah, I found the opposite side. The opposite side will be 5.
You're wrong.
Don't
be straight into the question or you stepping up the question. Your setup would be plus or minus the long root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. That's your setup. 1 minus.
So sin theta will be 5.
Pay attention. To find sin theta over 2. Sin theta over 2 is equal to the formula is equal to plus or minus the long root of 1 minus cos theta over 2. 1 minus what is cos theta? 12 over 13 divided by 2. So it will be 1 over 13 over 2, which will be the root of 1 over 26 or 1 over root 26. So did you use your formula?
Fedrin, no use formula because already know the opposite side will be 5.
I don't know what you're solving for.
Sin theta will just be 5 or 13 divided by 2.
You're wrong. And I'm giving you a formula to use and you're still telling me something else.
That proceed.
Please go ahead.
So, folks, that's how we come to the end of the first 3 questions. Are we in the second half now?
Yes, Thomas. We need the second half.
So that's how we come to the end of the first 9 questions in the first half. Without much time to waste, we move on to the second half. The score is 30 points to Grace and 10 points to Elizabeth City. The question is question number 1, second half. And I read. Solve for X. Solve for X. 2 raised to the power 2x plus 3 is equal to 8 raised to the power x minus 2. Solve for X.
Grace.
You have 10 seconds. What's the answer?
Grace.
1.
Grace.
2. 3.
Yeah, X would just be equals to X equal 9.
X is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Teach me.
Yeah, you said 2 raised to the power 2x plus 3 is equals to 8 raised to the power equal to 8 raised to the power x minus 2. So we to find the base, we say 2 raised to the power of 8. So the 3 will be multiplied by the power like already here. So 3 times x will give us 3x minus 3 times 2 will give us 6. So we say we got a leg variable, we get 2x minus 3x is equals to negative 6. We say the positive 3 equals we get negative 3. So 2 minus 3 will give negative x will be equals to negative 6 minus 3 will give negative 9. Divide both by negative 1.
The question is question number 2, second half. And I read, a man is 4 times as old as his son. A man is 4 times as old as his son. In 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. How old are they now? I read again. A man is 4 times as old as his son. In 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. How old are they now?
Grace.
Grace.
Yes, the son will just be 10 years while the man will be 40 years.
The son will be 10 years while the man will be 40 years. Teach me. Prove your answer.
Okay, he said the man is 4 times old as his son, so I already said the man will be M and his son will be S. So the man will be equal to 4S. Yeah, the man will be equal to 4S. And he said in 20 years time, so the man plus 20 will be equal to 2. Okay, so for short we get 4S plus 20 will be equal to 2 parentheses will be S plus 20. The S representing is 1H. So we multiply parentheses you get 2S plus 2 times you get 2S. 2 times 20 will get you 40.
Hold on.
So the 2
No, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I get it.
I said, hold on and take 10 points. The question is question number 3, second half. The question is question number 3, second half. And I read. Find a volume of a cylinder. Find a volume of a cylinder with a radius of 3 cm and a height of 10 cm. Find the volume of a cylinder with a radius of 3 cm and a height of 10 cm.
Come again.
Find the volume of a cylinder. K. What is the answer?
Yeah.
Say that? You are wrong. You are wrong. Grace, your question.
Yeah, Grace.
Find the volume of
Grace.
I still my prep, Grace. What is the answer?
Yeah, V will just be equals to 90 per cm cube.
90 per cm cube. What's the formula here?
V is equals to pi r square h.
10 points. And folks, that's how we come to the end of the first 3 questions in the second half. The score is 60 points to Grace and 10 points to Elizabeth City.
Okay. While we're waiting for Elizabeth City, I got a couple of things I want to clear out with you here. Right? So on the question about the common difference, what is your formula for finding the common difference? What formula did you use to find your number, the common difference? What formula did you use to find the common difference?
The second term divided by the first term.
That's your formula?
Yeah.
You have to go back. You're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. The common difference is my friend, I'm trying to help you here. Why don't you have a more receptive demeanor? I'm trying to help you. Overall, you're wrong. The question that was read, the common difference is -1/3. Once you find the common difference, which is 1/3, and the number you're giving, I'm continuing to tell you that the number you're giving for the common difference is wrong. So your calculation is wrong. I want you to know that your calculation is wrong.
Yeah, I will answer me this. Please, let me clarify, please. You get me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Chris, you got the question? What was the question? What was the question? You got the
He
question?
says, yeah, he says to find the next two terms in your
How many
geometric
terms he
sequence.
gave you?
He gave three
Is that
terms.
geometry? He
Yeah,
measured
geometry.
geometric sequence?
No, I did
Okay.
not say
Yes.
geometry. I did not say geometry.
Did he measure
Find the
geometry?
next two terms in the sequence. In the sequence.
How sure are you it's a geometric sequence?
I
Because
did not
whatever
say
you're doing,
geometry.
the geometric sequence formula you are using, I'm not sure that was a geometric sequence. It was just a sequence.
In the sequence, it was just a sequence. It was a set of numbers.
But if you turn your common difference, does it give you the same numbers? Let's proceed.
I use a geometric sequence formula. That's why I'm having the common difference. The
Question is number 4. The
There
question
are
is number
different sequences. Now when
The
you
question is number 4,
geometry
second
and
half. Elizabeth said you are wrong. You are wrong in the answer, right, Thomas?
yeah, he knew I told him wrong before going up.
Okay. The question is number 4. Huh? Thomas, what's the answer?
The answer is 90 pi cube, 90 pi cm cube, and it was answered by how do you call it?
Grace.
Grace.
Grace Baptist.
I'm sorry. Grace Baptist. I'm sorry.
No, you're wrong.
The answer is what?
It's 30.
What? Wait. What's the formula? What's the formula for Selena? Stop looking up. What's the formula for Selena?
What's your formula for Selena? What is your formula for Selena?
Stop looking up. Say that? 1 or 3? Is that the formula for Selena? 1 or 3 powers, right? Is that the formula for Selena? 1 or 3?
You're wrong. That's not the formula.
You don't even know your formula. That's a kung formula you're calling. That's a kung formula you're calling. I don't know if you ever used the formula in a kung. Let's proceed. I think it was.
The question is number 4. The question is number 4. An isosceles triangle, please pay attention. An isosceles triangle has an angle whose measure is 65 degrees. I come again. An isosceles triangle has an angle whose measure is 65 degrees. Find the measure of all 3 angles. Find the measure of all 3 angles. An isosceles triangle has an angle whose measure is 65 degrees. Find the measure of all 3 angles.
Grace. Yeah, the measure of all 3 angles will be 65 degrees, 65 degrees, and 50 degrees.
I won't take that. An isosceles triangle has an angle whose measure is 65 degrees. Find the measure of all 3 angles. Okay. Come again. You're wrong. Give me a second. Give me a second. I show the question now. I show the question now. Guys, please pay attention. Please pay attention to the question now. Please pay attention. You're not too much. Solve the quadratic. X squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. X squared plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 0.
Grace.
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 10 seconds. Grace. 10 seconds. 2. 10 seconds. 3. 10 seconds. 4. 10 seconds. 5.
Yeah, X which will be equals to
6. 10 seconds. 7. 10 seconds.
X will be
8.
equals to now the about 16 plus or minus
Wrong.
the root.
Wait, continue. Grace, continue. 10 seconds. 2 seconds. Go ahead. Read your answer. Read the answer.
Yes. I say X will be equals to 16 plus or minus the root of minus 32 over 2. I'll come again.
Wrong.
The root, I'll come again.
Wrong. Yes. Okay. Minus 4,0. Wrong. The answer is 2 plus or minus R. 2 plus or minus R. 2 plus or minus R. Minus 2 plus or minus R. Minus R. Yeah. What's my time? What's the answer? Wrong. When I minus 4,0, I say solve the quadratic. When you put it in the quadratic, hold on, don't waste my time. You put it in the quadratic formula, is going to be what? S is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the long root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 times 5. All divided by 2 times 1. That will give you minus 6. Pay attention.
So, Thomas, you have to give us 1 minute. Let me switch it to that quick.
The long root of 60 minus 20 divided by 2. So be minus 4 plus or minus the root of minus 4 divided by 2. It'll give you minus 4 plus or minus 2R divided by 2. So what are you solving? Excuse me? That was question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 I'm about to read. Question number 5 I'm about to read. So the question I was saying just now, what formula did you use? That you're arguing, say 4 and 0. Okay. When you put it in there, then what's the confusing part? Because it's straightforward. What? Uh-huh. Minus 4 over 2. You're wrong. You're not just wrong, but you're very wrong.
Wait. He's saying something. When you take a minus 4 out of the rule, it becomes what?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the second game of the day. We're still struggling here. We asked Montserrado to please join. Also, we can finish this game and jump into the next game. And the current score is 60 points to Grace Baptist and 10 points to Leslie.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Haja Sophia, because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyaman Institution.
Because I built a great work of China in the 6th century BC, for today, battle coming, or chemical that is meant to kill all sickness that will be the human stomach as from it.
All right, Thomas, can we please tell?
Yeah, most areas changing the rises. Other one went up, so those won't be over.
Yes, the next school there, please give us a few seconds. We'll be right with you, please. Please give us a few seconds. We'll be right with you.
How many questions remaining for your end?
2 questions from my end. 2 questions from my end, and then 3 from your end, but we have to do it speedily.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 60 points to Grace and 10 points to Elizabeth City. We have 5 more questions to come after this game. Imagine it's 50 points in favor of Grace Baptist. And we have 5 more questions. 5 more questions with a 50-point margin. Wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Haja Sophia, because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyaman Institution.
Because I built a great work of China in the 6th century BC, for today, battle coming, or chemical that is meant to kill all sickness that will be the human stomach as from it.
I'm missing. Okay, jadi half yang pilih lagi half final pilih sih. Follow final jadi orang Messi. We are immature that play with stomach fun and sporting here. Get mature by anyway. Oh, what don't lose.
All right, Elizabeth City, let's give the folks 2 minutes. If they are not back within 2 or 3 minutes, we'll start reading. Okay. Elizabeth City, can you hear me? If the school is not back within 2 or 3 minutes, we'll start reading. Okay.
Adrian,
can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Elizabeth City, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Thomas.
I'm hearing you.
Elizabeth City, can you hear me?
Elizabeth, are you hearing us?
Hello. Elizabeth Silly.
Let's take them off and let them back.
Hello, Thomas.
He's not hearing us. There's nothing to do about it.
He's not paying attention. Hello. He's not paying attention. Elizabeth City, can you hear us? Hello, can you hear us? Hello. Elizabeth Silly. Elizabeth City, can you hear me? Hello, come. Elizabeth City. Come. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Thomas, the man I'm here, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
I think it meant no.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume of by a face amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. So the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may have said your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
Now plug me in. But you just said unplug you. Just 2 minutes.
Hello, can you hear us? Grace, can you hear us?
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie Bebel.
Hello, can you hear me? Grace Baptist, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes. Fedrin.
Yes. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Grace
I hear
Baptist,
you.
Good. All right. So, Thomas, can you please check on Elizabeth?
I hear you. Yes, I hear you.
Thomas, who was the contact that Elizabeth Sele?
It's Mulbah.
What's your first name?
Cristido.
Okay. Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, Elizabeth, say I hear us.
Can you hear me? Hello. Hi. But Thomas, I don't understand how the kid will be looking at us like this and we're talking. He can't. Can you hear us? Can you hear me? Elizabeth Sele, can you hear me?
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah. Getting me?
Question is number 5. Question is number 5. Factor out the greatest common factor. Factor out the GCF. Factor out the GCF. Grace Baptist, please unmute your mic. Elizabeth Sele, tell them whoever the background is noisy. Please tell them the background is noisy. Please. Tell the folks the background is noisy. Tell the folks the background is noisy. Factor out the GCF. Grace Baptist, you're muted. Factor out the GCF. Factor out the GCF. Grace, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Grace? Guys, please be fast. We're wasting time.
Yeah, I hear you.
Thomas, you have to intervene, man. This is for sure. I'm going to read the question. Grace Baptist, can you hear me?
I get it clear.
Yeah, but then say something, my friend. I'm using energy here. When I say, can you hear me? Then say, let me speak out. Let me hear you too. Factor out the GCF.
Sorry, I was speaking. Maybe you're not hearing me. I was talking.
Factor out the GCF. Factor out the GCF. Now x squared, parenthesis open, 2x 7. Factor out the GCF. 9x squared, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, parenthesis closes, minus 12x, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, parenthesis closes. Factor out the GCF, parenthesis opens, 9x squared, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, it closes, minus 12x, parenthesis opens, 12x plus 7, it closes. I repeat.
You have to stop.
I repeat. Factor out the GCF. 9x squared, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, parenthesis closes, minus 12x, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, it closes. 9x squared, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7, it closes, minus 12x, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7. Grace.
The GCF will just be the GCF is just 3x.
Come again? Come again?
3x.
Wrong. Elizabeth Sele, factor out the greatest common factor. 9x squared, parenthesis open, 2x plus 7 equals minus 4x, parenthesis opens, 2x plus 7. Answer. Answer. 10 seconds. Wrong. 3x parenthesis open 2x plus 7 it closes, another parenthesis open 3x minus 4 it closes. Thomas, please do me a favor. Whoever you in communication with in Margibi, please tell them it is absolutely unprofessional and the place is very noisy. Please tell them that.
The person I'm in communication with is not even there. I don't know how to
Let them relay the message to them because it's absolutely unprofessional. It is extremely noisy. Number 6. The question is number 6. Question number 6. Soft. Minus I times 2R times 3R. Minus R.
Chris.
Okay, answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wrong. Minus R times 2R times 3R. Grace Baptist. 10 seconds.
Grace, my answer is just minus 7.
Wrong. The answer is 6R. 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 6R.
Manus A and Manus
You're dancing, Grace. You are not doing what you're not doing
Minus R
addition.
times 2R times 3R. Yeah. How you correct? I said minus R. I said minus R. Minus R. Minus R. Minus R. Not R. What's happening? What to you? So what's happening? What to you?
So we have much time to waste. We move on to the next 3 questions to climax this game. The question is question number 7. The 7th question to climax this game. And I read for both schools. The question is question number 7. And I read, convert the altered number 17 to decimal. Convert the altered number 17 to decimal. Convert the altered number 17 to decimal.
Grace.
Grace, what is the answer?
Grace.
What is the answer, Grace? You have 10 seconds.
15 base 10.
Come on.
15 base 10. 15 base 10. 15 base. You hear me?
What? Teach me.
15. Yeah, he said alter, so the base that will just be 8. And we know the law of base, so it will be parentheses will be 1 time 8 plus another will be 7. We raise to the power starting on 0.
13 points of 1-5 base 10. 13 points, 1-5 base 10. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, Thomas, please go ahead.
Steady.
Yeah, Thomas, just go ahead. Tom is not our friend, please.
Pedro.
Are you hearing me, Steady?
Pedro, I get you.
2 more questions. The question is question number 8. And I read, find y if the root of 12 minus the root of 147 plus y the root of 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of y.
Grace.
What is the answer? You have
Grace.
10 seconds. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds.
Y will be equals to nothing else but positive 5.
3.
Y equal 5. Y equal 5, Pedro. Are you getting me?
Prove your answer.
Yeah, you said we should find Y. And looking at it, we get a least base here. Yes.
What's it? How did you find the radical for 147? What's the radical for 147?
For the 9 and 3, okay, you 7 radical.
13 points.
For the 9 and 3, okay, you 7 radical 3.
13 points. The question number last. The last question to climax this game. Simplify the cube root of 54. Simplify the cube root of 54.
Grace.
Grace.
Yes, Grace. Your answer. You have 10
Grace.
seconds. You have 10 seconds. One.
Yeah, I'm aware of nothing else but 3 root 6.
3 root 6 is wrong. 3 root 6 is wrong. Pay attention to the camera. Simplify. The cube root of 54.
Okay. 3 the cube root of 6.
You are also wrong. 3 the cube root of 2 are been precise. 3 the cube root of 2 are been precise. And that's how we come to the end of this wonderful match. The score is 80 points. The score is 80 points to Grace and 10 points to Elizabeth City. The machine is 70 points in favor of Grace.
All right. So, guys, thank you. We would like to jump straight into the next game. Grace Baptist, you're moving on to the next round, the round of 12. Thank you for the time. To the audience, please join us the next game of the day. Thomas, what is the next game of the day? Thomas, you're muted. I'm not hearing you. You're muted.
Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, what is the next game of the day?
The next game of the day, we have Small versus Empire.
All right.
We have Small versus Empire. Yeah, that's the next game of the day.
Okay, audience. So you have it. Sumo Moyi versus Empire. We're sending the link now.